Hi, here's Cough Syrup's Young the Giant, the intro riff on the ukulele. Hi, and welcome to another tutorial by me, Caitlin, or the Ukulele Whisperer. So we're gonna dive right into Cough Syrup by Young the Giant. I'm just gonna do the intro riff for you guys, the riff that repeats itself in the beginning and some parts of the song. If you want to, I can also go over the strumming at the end, or you can just stop the video once you get the intro riff down. Once again, the tabs are at the beginning, and yeah. Alright, so there's an optional part on the G and the C string that goes 2, 1, 2. So basically make an A chord. A chord is a second fret on the G string and first fret on the C string. So it's an A chord. But you're going to pick 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. That's an optional part. You don't have to do it. It was in the song, but it's just up to you, whatever sounds best. So optional part. Then you're going to jump with your middle finger to the second fret on the C string. And then you're going to do, on the E string, you're also going to do the second fret. So it'll sound like this. So second on the C, second on the E. Then with your pinky, you're going to go on the 5th fret of the A string twice. Then you go with your ring finger twice on, 3 times, on the A string. And then you're going to go with your middle finger twice on the 2nd fret of the A string. And then open A. So all together, that sounds like this. Then you're going to jump to the C string, and it will sound like this. So what that is, you're going the 2nd fret twice on the C string, 3 times on the 1st fret of the C string. Then you're going to go up to the 11th fret on the C string, and you're going to put that twice. And then the 9th fret with your pinky, and then with your ring finger on the 9th fret of the C string. So that part sounds like this. So the first whole part sounds like this. Play that 2 times, and after you play that 2 times, you're going to do open A twice. Put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. Your pinky finger on the 4th fret twice. Then you go back to your index twice on twice on the pointer finger. Open A twice. So that sounds like this. And then you're going to go 3, 2, 3 on the E string. So that sounds like. So with your ring finger back to your middle and then to your ring. Now, so that whole bar or measure sounds like this. Next, the last bar sounds like this. And then D chord. So you're going to do the 3rd fret on the E string with your middle, 2nd fret on the A string with your pointer finger, 4th fret twice with your pinky, Then go up with your pinky again to the 5th fret, and then pinky again to the 7th fret. And then you're gonna go with your, you can either do your pinky again, you're gonna repeat the 4, 5, and the 7. You can do your index, your middle, your pinky, or you can just do your call, totally optional. And then, yeah, and then D chord. And then it will jump into the strum pattern, which is down, down, up, up, down, up. I'll have a little thing that pops up somewhere on the screen. So that last bar sounds like this. Now, for those of you who want to know the strumming pattern, it goes like this. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So the verses go D chord to A chord, to G chord to A chord, and you play that thing, you play it twice. So D chord, get Girl Scout honor, get your 3 fingers, and you put it on the G, C, and E string, and you just strum that down, down, up, up, down, up. You can play it twice. I like to play it twice just because it's just easier to transition if you're a beginner. If you're more intermediate, advanced, just play it once. Or play it however you sing with it. Up to you. And then you're going to go to the A chord, which we learned earlier is your 1st fret on the first, sorry, I don't know the names of my fingers. Your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the C string, and then your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And this sounds like this. G chord, triangle shape. So you're going to have your index finger on the 2nd fret of the C string, your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the E string. So it sounds like this. And then you're going to go back to your A chord. Next, for the first chorus, you're going to have to use a B minor, which might be kind of challenging for some beginners because it's a bar chord. So you're going to get your index finger, bar the 2nd, all the 2nd, so it sounds like this. And then you're going to get your ring finger and put it on the 4th fret of the G string. So it sounds like, altogether it sounds like this. So it sounds, and you're going to play that twice, and then you're going to play the A chord twice. So the first part of the chorus sounds like this. And remember, down, down, up, up, down, up. And then it goes to G, which we already learned, to B minor, to A twice, to G, to B minor, to A twice. So the first line of the chorus sounds B minor, A, and then G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A. So that sounds, the whole first chorus sounds like this. And then you're going to do the riff that I taught you at the beginning. And then the second chorus, you can do a different strum pattern if you want. You can mix up the chords if you want. Beginner, don't worry about it. The second chorus is 2 B minors, 2 A's, and then the last line is G, B minor, and then 2 A's. So it sounds like this. Great, and then you end it with the riff. Alright, Alright, awesome. Well, thank you so much for watching another tutorial by me, Caitlin, or the Ukulele Whisperer. Really appreciate it. Appreciate your viewing and support. And yeah, please like, subscribe, share once again my videos, and check out the other videos if you're curious about more songs. Thank you so much. I love Young the Giant. Great band. Saw them live twice. They're amazing. And thank you.